Today, we share and celebrate the most important and special thing that has ever happened to me, our love for each other. Our relationship has been an absolute dream since the start. Our years together have been the happiest of my life, and that is all thanks to you. Days by your side are filled with fun and laughter, and your gorgeous smile radiates your infectious love for life. You overflow with love, affection, and care, and I couldn't be luckier to have you by my side every day.
Alec, my best friend and my very nearly husband. 1,771 days ago, I made the second best decision of my life to say yes to a dog walk with a random guy from work. Never did I think I'd be standing here today, nearly 5 years later, ready to spend the rest of my life with him. I realised that what we have found is the kind of love that people spend a lifetime hoping to find, and I feel so immensely lucky to be standing here with you today. I love you.
I can't imagine anything more exciting than getting to prove to you just how much I meant these words for the rest of our lives. Thank you for making me so happy. I love you and can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. To kick us off, I'd like to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for coming today. What has made today so special is sharing it with all our closest friends and family. So, from myself and my new wife, a huge thank you.
To each and every one of you, I extend the most sincere and warmest of welcomes. To family and friends, to those who've travelled, Hannah has already summarised where everybody's come from. What a lovely reflection on this fine young couple that you all want to be here to share this moment with them both. So on behalf of Jim and Kathy and Sandra and I, thank you all so much for coming and making this such a special day for Hannah and Alec.
I read a quote recently that I thought was so fitting for us. When two people care about each other, the rest of the world disappears to them. I feel no quote could better describe our love of each other's company and our absolute joy of simply just being together. Sitting next to you, doing nothing, means absolutely everything to me, and there's nobody I'd rather do this for the rest of my days with.